Hi, I did this one in response to Sweeney, which is the character from a lot of Eliot's poems, which may or may not link to Hercules in my wild theory. So it ended up being a lot of blues, which if you've watched more than one video, you'll know that I really like. And then sort of like a bit of light green, which ends up being a bit like a mist, and then a little bit of white, light blue. There's lots of circles which end up like little whirlpools. There's an eye in one, there's a female character in the one at the bottom looking at the stars, and that's just a slightly closer view of the left hand side. It's hard to get the whole square into the frame. And then I did a doodle up on the top left because there's a bit of blue splodged on the page. So here there's a female character with like a blue face looking into a portal, I guess. It looks like she's looking down into the stars perhaps, or into another realm, I guess, and like that eye above. Above that eye, there's like a tall blue figure, and there's another taller blue figure to the left of that. And then there's this other blue circle as well. Actually looks a bit this morning like a little white snowy dog with a hood looking straight at us. But above that, there's a face turned to the left with sunglasses on. This sort of taller figure is next to that. And then this bit looks a bit like a washing machine. There are letters in there, TS, with like a little gateway above. It could actually just say nuts. The eye part turned around looks like somebody with a big belly, or the letter B, stood on like a disc. So I get the impression we're in the stars. I'm just going to tell myself that I'm correct. There's also a figure to the left of that B with a crescent moon on their head. And underneath that, a grey face looking right at the letter B. Thanks for listening.